Hello and welcome to yet another video of GJ Management Consultants. So the topic today is reinventing business models with AI. We already had covered a couple of topics on AI earlier. So we covered all about AI. In that topic. We clearly explained what AI is all about, what are the methods, and what are the different type of the AI technologies that we have, and the evolution of AI. Then we also covered the future of the AI, how it has to be taken forward when we are applying the artificial intelligence in the organization. Then we covered the synergy of AI with human, how it has to be synergized. And now we are going to cover a topic that how AI model can be reworked, reinvented, so that it gives the maximum benefit to the organization. So how we have shaped up this entire presentation is that we are going to quickly show up a video that uncovers the agenda by itself. So by watching that video, you come to know that what is it that we're going to cover in this entire detailed presentation. So let's just move ahead. Okay, let's just watch this video then.
Reinventing business models is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. AI is the game changer we've all been waiting for. Imagine automating tedious tasks, freeing up time for creativity. With AI, we can analyze data faster than ever before. This means making smarter decisions based on real-time insights. Personalization is key. AI helps us tailor experiences for our customers. Think about it. A business model that adapts to market changes instantly. Collaboration with AI can spark innovation like never before. The future is here, and it's time to embrace it. Are you ready to reinvent your business model with AI?
Okay, so this itself speak about what is the relevance of creating the or reinventing the model business transformation model with the help of AI, and what is the necessity of that. So we'll quickly have a look at why we need to have an AI enabled model to transform our business. So let's just move to the first slide of this detailed presentation. Okay. Why AI driven business transformation? So why we need to have that AI enabled model to drive our business transformation? Because AI doesn't just optimize the business, it rewires how value is created. So if we have to redefine the true deliverables of the transformation, the real value that it's going to come from the transformation, I think the AI is a key nowadays. So let's just have a look. What is it that we need to do to make sure that when we enable the transformation through AI driven models, for why exactly we require that? Why is it so? So rapid technology disruption. We know that the ways in which things are evolving and the way in which technology is getting changing every day. So it's always imperative that we need to have the best technology that can be deployed to drive the business transformation. Specifically for the companies that have large market share, and they know that if any kind of technology changes is going to happen, that can have directly impact their business operations. So they have to make sure that AI driven latest technologies should be adopted for any kind of the transformation that they're going to bring in. Competitors moving to AI models first. Obviously, if competition and competitors are moving to AI driven models, why not us? Why not our business? So which means that if we have to remain in the competition, if we have to compete with our competitors, we have to make sure that we are using the best age technologies that is being available from the AI in the form of AI, and then how we can use those technology to transform our business. Shift from product economy to intelligent experience economy. See, obviously, the product differentiation is going to have its own value when we are targeting our customers. But if that product differentiation is not embedded with the latest AI-driven technology, because that latest AI-driven technology helps to reinvent the product as itself. So let's say, for example, if we have a digital product that we are selling to the our customer in the market, and if it is not enabled with the latest AI technology, that is going to lose its relevance. Customer demanding personalization. To have those get personalization and to have those kind of customization, we need to introduce the element of AI, because this is that we could able to understand their need and amend our product accordingly, if at all we have to do some personalization or customization depending on a a particular class of the customer or the customer segments. And then market survival now depends on AI-led value creation, because we know that the disruption that has been caused by the AI, the technology itself is going to get overhauled very soon with the speed at which AI is evolving. So earlier with the AI, which is like looking into the data insights and data diagnostic, then we have the AI that can look into the unstructured data, extract the information and create the inferences. Now we have the agentic AI, where we have independent artificial intelligence agent. So with this evolution, we have to make sure that our transformation should be led by the AI-driven data models and AI-driven transformations. But what exactly we mean by what AI-driven transformation model will be, as in what exactly we are going to get when we implement those kind of models. So let's just have that look at that slide in the look at that in the next slide. Okay. So, what is AI driven business transformation model? So, I mean, what exactly we want that our AI enabled data driven model should showcase us, or should help us with? What is it that we are going to expect from those AI driven data models? So, we are saying not just process automation, obviously, but business transfer. We want our AI enabled data models to deliver process transformation, business transformation, and not just the process automation. So which means that what we want our data models, we want our data model to create value. They have to create value for the organization. So if we have enabled the AI, and then basis that AI enabled data models, we have transformed our business in such a way that it has actually created the value to the organization by delivering percentage improvement in their operational cost, reduction in the percentage reduction in their operational cost, percentage of improvement in the overall efficiency of the operation, and then definitely reduction in the warehouse cost, or reduction in the cost per invoice, or let's say reduction in the day sales outstanding, or DSO. So these are the values that we feel should be generated when we deploy our AI model. Right. So when we say what here, it exactly means that what is it that AI is going to help us with. So here when we are saying that, it helps us with the value creation. Then what we say, capture value. It should first create the value, it should capture the value, which it has this direct impact on my profits and my top line. So how it can improve my top line is basis if I can if I can improve my customers sales, and that can be done to many ways. If let's say I have 10% who are my aggrieved customer earlier, and if I could able to reduce that 10% to 1%, then obviously it has the direct impact on my top line. Also, let's say my collections were very poor without the implementation of AI, and by implementation of the AI, let's say my DSO has been reduced from, let's say, 15 days to 10 days, or let's say from 30 days to 25 days, which means that I have created the working capital for 5 days. That is the power. So which means that we have created the value, and now we can capture that value, and then obviously once we have created and capture, we can deliver the values over our stakeholders in the form of improved margins, in the form of improved incentive to our employees, in the form of the improved benefit to our customers and suppliers. So all those benefit will accrue once we have that thought process, that what is it that we are going to get from implementing the AI driven data models. But obviously, a question comes that what are those levers that help us to, take this leap forward? What are those levers? So let's just quickly have a look at the next slide and see what are those levers then. Okay, let's just quickly have a look at the levers through which we can, deliver those AI enabled data models. So where intelligence turn into revenue, efficiency, and competitive advantage. So let's move ahead. Intelligent automation. So our AI enabled data models, we can deliver it through intelligent automation, which means that identify the area, identify the gap, and then figure out how the best implementation of AI can fix that gap and then generate the value for the organization. So intelligent automation is the key. AI-enabled product and platform. So our product should be enabled with AI. Our platform should be enabled with AI, so that instead of somebody spending efforts in keying in some information of on platform, AI should prompt up with all the relevant information that needs to be key in. So without much ado, anyone can enable with the power of the AI and make it easy for any person to use any platform or any product. Predictive analytics and forecasting. If we equipped, enhance, enrich our product and services with those predictive analytics, then definitely we are going to have a better edge, because our products would have a competitive advantage that it has the ability to do the prediction and the forecasting. And if we are using the same product to predict and forecast our business scenario, then it's added to advantage to our business growth as well. Hyper personalized customer experience. So obviously, any customer or set of the customers for which we have created a product which is being enabled with the AI enabled customization, that has an own impact in improvement in the market share. AI enabled and AI driven ecosystem partnership. So we know that we can not do everything by ourselves. We have to have collaboration. So best of our feature can be collaborated with our competitors, or let's say some of the people who are want to collaborate with our business. They have some latest and greatest technology, and instead of we investing time and efforts in those technology, we can collaborate with them and create the best out of it, so that instead of our overhead costs, we are just collaborating with them, and then we are just moving ahead with best of our product. And then new data monetization. So basically how we can use our data to monetize our business. So if we have that data information that can be available to us, and how we can use that data for the benefit of the organization to generate the revenue and increase our top line. So having said that, the levers that we have lost no, just quickly, let's move to the next slide and see that how best we can use this lever for our business. Okay, so having understanding on the levers, and we said that how best we can use those lever for our business. So which is that how we can use that lever which can be suited to the archetype of the organization, because each archetype has its own methodologies, and how we could able to suit them, that depends upon the business technology landscape that has been available with the organization. So let's just have a look at that. So what we are saying here is that AI augmented enterprise description boost current model. So if let's say organization is already having the AI enabled data model in place, then how additional AI enabled architecture is going to help them? So we are saying that it will boost its current model, cost, speed, risk management. So what we are saying, organization which is already having AI augmented data model in place, additional layer of AI augment data model, which means that the latest technology and latest and greatest technology will help them to boost their current model. Let's say if somebody is not having the AI augmented enterprise, somebody is having AI centric platform, they have some platform that is having the AI technology. How it's going to help them? It's going to data and ecosystem driven platform value, because once we integrate our additional AI enabled feature to AI centralized platform, it will have direct impact on delivering the better value of to that platform. Let's say if somebody is already having an AI and using it as a service, then how it can help? So they can help to monetize the AI capabilities with the new AI features. They can monetize, and definitely then they can sell that data into in the form of subscription to the customers. If we already have an autonomous operational model, so which means that how AI will help them, it will light out operation minimal human inputs, which means that it will create minimal impact, minimal disruption to the current autonomous ways of working by implementing the improved AI model. And then outcome based model is like pay per outcome or versus product per service. So if we have outcome based model, then obviously our AI enabled data model with enhanced AI developed data model, we could able to monetize it very quickly as the on the basis of the pay per outcome. So if we have implemented the latest AI enabled data model to our organization, the impact that it is going to create depend upon the current technical or technological landscape that it has. So which means that impact would be very much for those organizations which is at a zero level and which have never implemented the AI earlier, vis-a-vis the impact to those which are already on the top class AI driven technology, and with the latest technology intervention they can upgrade it to get the maximum advantage. So this is the beauty of enabling the latest AI enabled data model and the impact of it. So let's just quickly have a look that it's how it's going to have the impact on the organization as such. Okay, so we were talking about the impact of AI. Let's just quickly have a look at some of the industry use cases to understand the impact that it has created. Okay, so in the banking industry, autonomous lending, fraud, AI wealth advisor, these are the advantages or the benefits of implementing the artificial intelligence to the banking industry. In the retail, AI merchandising, demand forecasting, virtual try-ons. In manufacturing, predictive maintenance, smart factories. Healthcare, AI diagnostic, personalized treatment. Logistics, autonomous routing, robotics warehouse, and professional services, AI research, contract intelligence. So these are just illustrative. I mean, and illustrative, I'm saying so because these are some of the best advantage that has accrued to the industry of banking, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and professional services. The benefit is much beyond that, and benefit does not only accrue to these industries. So these are just illustrative. But if there is huge exhaustive list that is available, which can demonstrate that the benefit of AI has actually helped the organization to grow from the growth that they have experienced in last couple of years versus the growth that it had in last decade. So the growth in 2 years is almost equal to the growth that they had in last year, because last 10 years, because the AI has enabled that, right? So just to make sure that we have that understanding, let's just quickly understand the blueprint of artificial intelligence when we are implementing it. So we have a complete understanding that how we have to go about it to make sure that we have the correct implementation of AI in place. Okay, so let's just quickly have a look at the reinvention blueprint, or the blueprint to enable the AI enabled data models. Okay, define business reinvention goal. We need to have clear clarity that what our goal should be. Identify the AI value opportunities. Build data and digital core. Launch AI product intelligent workflow. Scale through the platform. Govern, secure, and continuously. So this is a quick, overview that how our implementation should be, implementation life cycle should be. The most important point and the important areas, basis my experience which I have come across, is the failure of launching the or let's say scale up the AI driven products post is testing. So this is which is the step 5. A lot of organizations have created the proof of concept, POCs available. They have done that analytics, and they have confirmed that POC is working fine, but they have never scaled it up, and that is the reason that they have incurred the cost but they have not accrued the benefit. And this is one of the topic which we're going to cover in our next presentation, how we are going to scale up the entire AI. Yeah. So for the time being, let's just quickly have a look at what is it that we need to do after looking at this presentation, and what is the call for action then. So call for action: AI is not a project, it is a business reinvention strategy. So the winners will those who rethink value delivery, reinvent revenue engine, and leverage AI to scale, adapt, and lead. So these are the three mantras for making sure that whenever we have latest and greatest technology enabled model available, then how we should take it forward. We have to make sure that how it is going to impact our business, and then compare it with the current ways of working, and then how we can leverage it at a scale so that the maximum benefit can be, can be achieved by implementing that AI. So with this, we have come to the end of this session. Let's just quickly have a look at what is it that we're going to cover in the next session then. Okay, our next topic is scaling AI from pilot success to enterprise-wide transformation. So, as I mentioned in the earlier slide, that this is one of the critical area wherein most organization fails because they have incurred a lot of the cost in experimenting the AI, but have never launched a product or never scaled it up in the organization. So, we'll have a close look at it. What is it that needs to be done to make it scalable, and then how we can optimize the POC that we have done, and we can get the benefit after spending the cost efforts. So with this, this is the last slide. Let's just quickly to the closing slide then. Okay, so thank you all my viewers, all the subscribers for watching this video. My sincere request is to watch this video till the end. And if you find this video useful, please share it across among your groups so that they can also get the best understanding of AI-enabled data models and how it can transform the business. Please subscribe our channel, like this video, share this video, and stay tuned for more such real business insights and updates on the artificial intelligence. Thank you and have a good